What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually covering some cryptocurrency here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can get your hands on some NFT art coins. These are some coins that I've been hearing about. Again, I do want to leave a disclaimer right now, straight off the bat. If you're not willing to lose all the money you're going to be putting in these coins, then don't even put the money in there. I don't want to be hearing, no, I put my kids' money in there, I put my rent money there. This is not the place where you want to be risking, and just look at it a fun way to just gamble your money. Instead of going to the casino and gambling it, this is a great way that you can make some money or lose all your money. So be very, very careful when investing into cryptocurrency, especially the coin that I'm going to be talking about today. Now, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about what NFTART coin does, but all you got to know is that there are these arts that people are selling called NFTs. And if you don't know again about these, I would suggest you look into another video that explains that. But I'm going to be talking about how you can get this specific NFT art coin, which is becoming very popular. And a lot of people are saying that this is going to be something more like Dogecoin and something similar to SafeMoon coin and all this stuff. So I just think it's kind of interesting, especially because you cannot go on your Robinhood or Webull account and buy this specific coin. Not even going to Coinbase, Gemini, or any of the actual cryptocurrency exchanges, applications out there. So you do have to go through some processes that I'm going to be showing you guys in just a moment. And I promise it's going to be very simple and very quick. I'm actually going to be going a bit more step by step. So if you want to get into the meat of how to actually get the NFT art coin, I'm going to leave a timestamp somewhere in the video so that you could just jump into the video. But I'm going to be talking about how to create a wallet through Trust Wallet, how to transfer some coins between wallets, and then I'm going to get into how to actually buy the NFT art coin. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your app store and you're going to type in Trust Wallet. You're going to download the first application that comes up, and it's the one I'm showing on the screen. And you're going to download this application. Now, while the application downloads, I personally use crypto.com. Now, again, if you do want to get $25 on free cryptocurrency, I would encourage you to use the referral link below. But I personally use crypto.com, and I already had some Binance coins. You will need Binance coin or BNB coin in order to buy this NFT art coin. So it's just like Bitcoin and Ethereum are in blockchain. NFT art coin is actually on, I think it's called Swap coin or something like that, or Swap chain. So it's powered by Binance, and so thus you just need to buy their coin in order to make this work. So since I already had an actual Binance coin, I'm going to go ahead and transfer my Binance coin into my Trust Wallet. So now that we have a Trust Wallet right here, again, if you don't have a wallet, or if you've never had a wallet before or a crypto wallet, simply go ahead and create a new wallet, go ahead and accept the terms and conditions. And it's going to give you a recovery phase, which I would encourage you to type it down or memorize it if you have very good memorizing skills. But don't share with anybody, because people could just, with that recovery phase, access your wallet anywhere in the world and then transfer your funds to a different wallet, making you now really broke. So that's why people don't recommend you, screenshot of your recovery phase. Don't, record yourself saying it or something like that, so you do want to be very careful when interacting with these recovery phases. See that now you can have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance coin, or Smart Chain. So the whole point is that we want to get some Smart Chain in our hands. But in order for us to get Smart Chain, we first have to get the BNB coin. Now you could always click on BNB and click buy and type in your credit card and your debit card, and let's just buy it from Trust Wallet itself. However, for some reason, this didn't work for me, and it was just very annoying because I typed in my credit cards, I typed in my debit cards, it asked me to validate my identity, and I did, but it just wasn't going through. So at the end, I was like, you know what? I don't have time to, wait 2, 3, 4, 5 days. I already have some Binance coins. I have another wallet through crypto.com. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer my Binance coin to this Trust Wallet, pretty much. And so that's exactly what I did. I went into Trust Wallet. I copied my wallet ID for Binance specifically. And so we were able to go ahead and pretty much copy that wallet ID and type it into my crypto.com app. Now, keep in mind, you only want to be transferring Binance to Binance between wallets. So again, when I'm transferring my Binance coin to, Trust wallet, I don't want to be transferring Bitcoin to Binance coin because then your money might be lost. Also keep in mind that for Trust wallet, you don't need to add a memo. So again, if you're doing this some other way, just be mindful that you might need a memo. In this case, I'm just going to name my wallet YouTube, just YouTube wallet. And crypto.com, I'm going to have to verify this, via an email authentication process that I just have to do. And once I'm done with the email authentication and approving that, I'm going to be able to see my wallet on the crypto.com app. Once I see my wallet on the crypto.com app, I'm going to go ahead and transfer my Binance coin. And well, it's going to ask me how much worth of Binance coin do I want to transfer. And I'm just really going to transfer a very small amount because especially if you're doing this for the first time, you want to start with small amounts. You don't want to be, sending $1,000 or $2,000 and then you do something wrong and your $2,000 are gone, So I would recommend do the whole process with maybe 30, 40, 100 bucks, 200 bucks. And, make sure once you have that NFTART coin in your wallet, then you could go ahead and do it with maybe more money. So now that we went ahead and transfer that Binance coin, we're going to wait for a few minutes. But before we do that, now we have to go ahead and we do have to go ahead and type. So the Trust wallet itself does not have a browser, and we need a browser within the app in order to access an application or a website called PancakeSwap. That's where we are going to be buying the actual coin, or swapping the coin in this case. So in order for the browser to show up, I'm going to leave a link on the description below. But the main important thing here is you want to just type in trust and then the semicolon or the 2 dots and then / enable browser or browser _ enable, and then you pretty much type enter or go. Now, if that doesn't work for you and it takes you to a Google search results, simply go ahead and type in the first link, and then you'll see the link, somewhere in there, and then just go ahead and click it. Again, if you don't find it or if you can't just get that step, simply go ahead and click the link on my description. And once you do that, it should take you to the app, and then now you should be able to see the browser tab at the bottom of the app. Okay, so now that we have the Binance coin, we're going to go ahead and convert that into Smart Chain. Once we convert that into Smart Chain, we are able now to add it into NFTART. So I already show it here on my wallet, but I'm going to show you guys how to add that. So you're going to go ahead into Trust Wallet, and on the 3 buttons, it looks like 3 buttons, but it's like a filter kind of looking button on the top right of the app. You're going to tap that, and you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Add Custom Coin. Once you add a custom token, you're going to go ahead and you're going to type in Smart Chain on the network, and you're going to go ahead and copy the address that you're going to find on CoinMarketCap. So again, you're going to go to CoinMarketCap, you're going to type in, NFT, or what is it? Let's see. Yeah, NFTART Finance, and then you're going to copy the address or the contact address. Again, normally it's very easy to copy it. You're just going to go ahead and copy that. You're going to paste it on your Trust wallet, and now you should be able to see it on your wallet. So you're going to see 0%. But now we're going to be able to go into PancakeSwap. In PancakeSwap, you're going to see your balance of whatever you have in Binance Coin, or in this case, Swap Chain. And then you're going to type in that same contact address again, and you're going to type in how many NFTARTs do you want. So again, I would suggest to leave the slip tolerance to 12%. In this case, it gave me a negative or an error, probably because of my currency. In this case, I just changed it to maybe something a little less, just because maybe the coin changes so quick that sometimes you can't afford it anymore. So just keep that in mind. So once you do that, you're going to go ahead and exit PancakeSwap. You're going to confirm everything and just exit out. And now you're going to see that now we have the nft-art coins. So with that being said, guys, very simple process, a little complicated, but a little summary is just simply make sure you have Binance coin. You convert that Binance coin into Swap Chain. Then you go into PancakeSwap, and then you pretty much go into a Google browser, or again, my YouTube video in the description, type in the contact address, you find that, copy it, go into PancakeSwap, find it by that specific address, and then you can just buy it. So for all those people who want to try it out, you get your contact or your NFTART wallet ID. So if you do send it to me, I'll be sending somewhere around, I don't know, like 1,000 coins to the first like 10 people that like and subscribe. And, you know, just to test out, see if you do receive some NFTART coins. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, a little bit lengthy, but a little bit, hopefully it was not as confusing and complicated. Trust me, it's not. Just takes a little bit of time for you to kind of get the hang of it. So again, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it on the comments below. Peace.